Hi, I will guide you to use the basics type box plots menu. This menu aims to see the distribution of quantitative data for one variable. The first step is to select one of the data forms to be used in the data import menu. For example, here I used to upload data with an iris.csv file. You can get this iris.csv data by clicking Download iris.csv. If you want to use other data, please select the CSV file by clicking Browse. After selecting the data to be analyzed, the next step is to click the Graph menu and then select the Box Plot submenu. A display like this will appear. Make sure to select Basics in the Type Box Plots. Then select a quantitative variable in the Select Variable section. For example, I selected the sepal length variable in the Select Variable section. The data can be viewed by clicking Show Data. Then it will appear like this. Please close, then click Run. Wait until the data is successfully processed. After the process is complete, the results will appear like this, namely the plot display. In the box plots, there are three features, namely the diagram title input feature, label input on the x-axis, and label input on the y-axis. To select these features, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. A sidebar box will appear. In the sidebar box, there are chart title inputs, label inputs on the x-axis, and label inputs on the y-axis. For example, I input my basics box plots in the title on charts input. Then, at the input title of X, I input sepal length. At the input title of Y, I input value. Then the next step is to click Run again. Then it will appear like this. To save plots, please select the camera icon like this. Then a download plot as PNG will appear. Please click, then the plot will be downloaded. Well, those are the steps to use the Graph menu for box plots type basics.